Hello. As we constantly try to explain to you, crypto gaming is very important and it may be a very important catalyst for the next bull market. So, having in mind that this is the case, we would encourage you to read a report by Dapp Radar about crypto gaming. We're going to introduce some key features, key subjects and key ideas that they cover, but we do really encourage you to read the full report because it has a lot of details that we will not cover in this video. That's a report from Q3 of this year, 2022. So 1.3 billion were raised in Q3 by blockchain games and the metaverse projects. In Q3, gaming activity accounted for almost half of all blockchain activity. So only gaming is a half of all blockchain activity. That is huge. By Dapp Radar across 50 networks with 912,000 daily unique active wallets interacting with games smart contracts in September. Alienware and Splinter remain the two most played Web3 games, with over 160,000 daily unique address wallets, unique active wallets, registered in September. Gameta, a gaming platform first deployed on Solana and now running on BNB chain, attracted over 1 million daily unique active wallets. On Polygon, Benji Bananas climbed to the rankings during the last quarter, attracting over 29,000 daily unique active wallets in September. The impact of blockchain games is also visible in the NFT market, where Gods Unchained cracked the top 5 collections by trading volume in September, with over $18 million generated by its game assets. Stepn, the app that spearheaded the move to earn Paradigm, has cooled down after a torrid Q2. However, it is positive to see new alternatives arising from this movement, like Sweat Economy from Sweatcoin, a near-based Dapp minted a record-breaking 10,000 NFTs last month, while Olivex is working with the Sandbox to boost the fitness part of the metaverse on the Sandbox metaverse. Sandbox remains top metaverse, the most advanced and the most developed metaverse in the world as of date. Sandbox itself successfully launched Alpha Season 3 with over 200,000 daily users visiting multiple experiences with renowned brands like The Walking Dead or Atari. Virtual world platforms such as Big Time and Otherside completed important milestones in their respective developments as MMORPG, look destined to onboard the next big wave of blockchain users. As we always confirm to you guys, Big Time, Star Atlas, Moblan, those are the games that's gonna host the majority of crypto users, crypto blockchain gamers in the future. It's not gonna be pixelated Sandbox or Decentraland throughout the years. Those will go away, just like Atari did, just like Amiga did, just like Commodore did. This the worst product has to give way. Finally, even though the investment in blockchain-based games and metaverse project declined in Q3 compared to Q2, the capital raised by this segment has almost doubled last year's total. It is also worth noting that projects focused on building the Web3 metaverse infrastructure, like Inward AI or Hidin, have received over 36% of the quarterly investments. To learn more, we encourage you to download that report and read everything in detail. You got key takeaways that we already mentioned. The one that was not mentioned in the above was Blanco's Block Party and Star Atlas, two online games using NFTs, became the first Web3 titles to be released on the major PC gaming marketplace Epic Games Store. Dapp Radar has a lot of articles, so you can use articles about trends, DeFi education, crypto wallets, reports. Those reports are very interesting because they are separated by subject or by quarter in the year. So the most recent one is blockchain behavior report, but just before this one, we recommend you to have a look at the metaverse report. Demand for metaverse remains amidst crypto turmoil. Metaverse gaming are so important that on this channel we're gonna get back to that topic. You cannot miss it. It's like being in DeFi in 2021 at the beginning. That's how important, according to us, gaming and metaverse will be in the next bull run. One more report, a lot of reports today. We would like you to take a look at Bloomberg's UK report, The Crypto Story. This is for you guys who are just beginning, just want to learn how it all started, what are the basic terms, how it all fits into the current world. So what Bloomberg did here is they presented some current companies from Web 2 and currently existing technologies, and they compared those to some crypto or Web 3 opportunities or solutions that could be improved or solved by Web 3, blockchain and crypto. Very interesting. If you look at part 1, you're gonna learn about ledgers, Bitcoin and blockchains, life in databases, what if you don't like it, digital cash. In part 2, what does it mean? So we are talking about store of value, distributed computer, slow database, Web 3 and scissorable ledgers, digital scarcity, and in part 3, it's crypto financial system, your keys, your coins, your hard drive in a garbage dump, CeFi, stablecoins, DeFi, reinventing in 2008, and part 4, trust money, community and finance. All that very nice, clearly compared to today's solutions, and how could those be improved with blockchains. This article is by Matt Levine. Just Google the crypto story Matt Levine, you should be able to find it. The article is from the 25th of October 2022. So we had a small drop after disappointing results from Meta. Luckily Apple came back to the rescue and posted better revenue and better profits. So market kind of dropped at the beginning of the day, but now we are all recovering. So hopefully we will see better prices in the near future. Because of halftime, we are quite optimistic that we will see a bit of more investments into risk assets, including crypto. Because if you look at history, from halftimes, the next 6 months, every time were positive. So every halftime after that 6 months is a positive period for risk assets, and that's what history tells us. Also, Bitcoin remains above $20,000, which is very positive development for us as well. It holds a very round, very important number. If we will crash through 21, 22 and 1600 on Ethereum, we may see some nice strong move to the upside. So we are remaining positive, remaining strong, and of course we're gonna position ourselves into DeFi, crypto, metaverse, infrastructure, layer 1s, layer 2s. Sit down and see what happens. Obviously we're gonna update you if there's gonna be some negative development, but for now, because of elections and because of dollar weakening, we do see some positivity in the market, in equities and in crypto. So we're gonna share what we're gonna find in the future with you as well. For now, thank you and see you at the next update.